Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming firmware and backups so nothing blocks the process. Once done, place any BIOS update on a FAT32 USB and reboot. You press Delete or F2 immediately to enter the Asus Prime UEFI. Timing matters, so try again if you miss it. Make sure secure boot options are visible by switching to Advanced Mode with F7. You're now in the right place to enable and configure secure boot settings safely. You navigate to Boot, then Secure Boot, and toggle Secure Boot to Enabled. That's the core step. Once enabled, set OS type to Windows UEFI for standard Windows installs or other OS if using custom kernels. If Secure Boot is locked or shows errors, clear Secure Boot keys and choose to enroll default keys so the firmware trusts standard bootloaders. Make sure CSM is disabled if you require full UEFI mode. This prevents legacy boot conflicts and keeps Secure Boot effective. You save and exit using F10, confirm the changes, and allow the system to reboot so Secure Boot becomes active. If the operating system refuses to boot, make sure CSM is disabled, Secure Boot keys are properly enrolled, and the UEFI boot order points to the correct drive. If you still can't boot, use a USB recovery media or reset BIOS to defaults to recover. That usually clears misconfigurations and lets you
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.